In this video, I demonstrate a common technique that chiropractors use to manipulate or adjust the lumbar spine, that is the lower back. The goal of this move is to free up restrictions, mechanical restrictions in the lumbar vertebrae, one or several, that could be altering normal movement. If the lumbar spine or any part of your spine is moving improperly, segment by segment, then it could translate into muscle pain, pain to one side of the back. It could encourage advanced degeneration by causing abnormal weight distribution. Now remember, you should never try this at home. This is just solely to demonstrate how it looks in the event you wanted to see a professional.
Oh, Jesus, yes.